How to change search engine on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. This area provides access to various settings, including search engine selection, autofill options, privacy features like preventing cross-site tracking, and content blockers. You can also customize the tab bar layout and manage how links open. Here, scroll down to the search section and go to Search Engine. As you can see, your current search engine is set to Google. Tap on any other search engine if you want to change it. For example, Bing. Following these steps, you can easily change search engine on iPhone.